Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be playing the two versions of Subway Surfers. So the first version is going to be the normal one. The second version is going to be the kids one, which is called Tag Ryan's World. Hope you enjoyed the video and just tell me which one you like. Comment it.
Okay, let's go now. Here's Subway Surfers and look like the police officer chasing me. So let's see how we do this. Okay. Just focus on the coins, Akash. Just focus on the coins. Okay, this robo skin, I like it. Pretty cheap. Okay, look at that, I hit myself. Come on. I wonder if there's an end to this game. Comment if you think there's an end to this Subway Surfers. Oh, a gift box. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what I need to do is just keep going. I swear if I die in the early. I don't want to die in the earlies. At least, come on. Don't die here. I hate the trains, Ooh, a letter. Give me that. Okay. It's a bit easy right now. But I wonder what happens when we play a bit more. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I got magnet. Oh, so this is what it does. I get all these coins even if I'm not near it. Oh. Oh no, I missed the letter N. What's this do? I don't know. I have no idea what this does. Get double coins. No, thank you, I'm good. Ooh, I'm in there. I got a magnet so I can get more coins. What do coins do? Can I buy skins with it? Okay. Oh, listen. It's my time to be doing it. Yes. Keep going. Oh, how am I still alive? Guys, comment if you think I can make it if you can make it this far. Okay, I'm still in. It's going really intense now. It's pretty fast. Come on, give me the end. Okay, nice. By the way, I started playing this game in 2024. But not that much. I just have like 3 skins. Actually 4. I have 4 skins in this game. Which is not much. But I don't play. Oh, look at that eye. Wait, what? I know the skateboard makes you invincible, so if you hit something like that. I have 13 skateboards. Okay, so it's getting really hard. Like intense. I thought I got the limit in. Okay, I don't want to anyway. Okay. What are these big boots for? Wait, I didn't get the big boots. Oh, I'm juking those trains. Like, are you sure it's supposed to? Do they want to hit me? That's a bit weird if they want to hit me. Because they keep charging towards me like they really want to. Because if there's an accident, I'm fine. But they want to hit me so loud. Okay. Right now I'm just kind of chilling, not gonna lie. I'm joking up. No! Oh, sorry, why I don't think I should waste the key. No, I should not waste. Oh, I'm gonna waste my key. Let's see what's in this gift box. A radio? Oh, not these ads. Don't like ads. Guys, subscribe if you hate ads, because I do. Play with friends, no thank you. Hello. Where are my skins? Where are the skins took them? I forgot where the skins are. Is there any free skins in this game? Oh, there we are. So this should be £5 for that skin. Wait, what? Free? Let me see. Oh, why does this say free if it's not free? Look at that. See? I got another version of the normal skin. Got the black version. Well, that looks nice, but I have no money. Got some break right now. Is there any good skins I could buy? Oh, this is the one I have right now. Koku. That robot one. Wait, isn't that? I have the black version of that skin. Yeah. all these skins look nice. Oh, that's the radio thing I just got right now. Keys, I don't think I have any. I only have one key. Damn, bro, I never lost this book. I am so broke. I have that skateboard. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. All of these are cool. I could afford that one. Yeah, I could afford this wooden one. Oh my, that looks so cool. With 220,000, that's just crazy. Okay. Here we got the kids version of Subway Surfers, something that came up before it. It's called Ryan Square. Kids version of Subway Surfers. As you see, we've got coins, we've got some stars. I got a lot of skins I'll show you at the end of the video. Seems like right now we're doing just fine. Mostly, I'm equipped the rally skin right now. Quite a lot of skins. You can't buy the skins, and I'll show you in a couple of seconds how you can't buy skins in Ryan World. You can redeem it, you can't buy it. You redeem it. You have apparently need to tag someone called Curse. There's like a frog guy in this game. Like when we go faster, when we run faster, then you have to tag a guy called Curse. And if you tag him, then you get a free skin. It'll be a random skin. I got an invisible skin, which is amazing. But I've not equipped that right now because I can't see myself that much either. I'll show you everything. Oh, pizza! I need this pizza. This is my bet. Did I just dodge a pizza? I am so stupid. You know what? Forget it. I have 500. I have above 500 pizzas. So I'm just going to put myself in one revive. I want to revive myself just once. I'm just going to use myself just one revive because Ryan's World has been updated. It is so... Oh, this is my... I hate this. This is the scary way, guys. If you look down and look up. Just don't look down and just focus on the obstacles. You can't make long jumps. You can't make any long jumps. So I'm just not going to look down and see what I can do. Okay. I've always made it. Would you look at that? I made it. Yeah, I'm the goat.
You are good.
Guys, some of you already played this game. Or if you've heard of it at least. And like if you don't. See that frog running there? That's Curse. That frog running down there is Curse. And we need to catch him. So we just need to tap him. When an exclamation mark comes above his head, we need to tap him. Then we get free skin. Let's see what I really want the legendary skins. I have 2 legendaries. Ryan and brother. Sisters. I might need to use my revive here because this is the worst day. This is the update, guys. This update is horrendous. See? Oh, okay. I'm using one of my revives. 2 pizzas, that's a little bit. See this foggy guy in front of me, we need to tag him, we need to tap him. It'll be easy on iPad, and that's what I'm playing on right now. I tap him, what are it? Some kind of pirate costume this is. I have this thing, so like, you can get the same skin like twice, you know. That's what annoys me sometimes.
You are good.
Like, I want some new skins. Okay, so right now it's alright, guys. It's getting fast. I've never seen Ryan run this fast. How is he not getting tired? This guy's not getting tired, is he? Has he got infinite stamina or something?
You are doing amazing.
When you run, you run at first, and then you get slower. Ryan's the complete opposite. He's running slow at first, and then he gets faster. So is Subway Surfers, same thing. I don't get that. I don't get the game.
Great job.
Like I do not get the game. Like in real life, you should start running fast and then you get slower. Apparently in these kind of games, you start slow and then you get faster. This doesn't use any logic at all, does it? Anyways, so let's get back into the game. I'm still in. Ooh, ×2, okay. Oh, did I hit myself? No, I didn't. Magnet, I just missed that magnet. How stupid of me. Okay, let's keep going. This time, oh! I almost died there. I hit my legs on the rocks. And this guy didn't even say
You
anything.
are good.
He looks short, but he's probably strong. I wonder. Oh my god, how is this guy still running so fast? He runs faster and faster, even though he's supposed to be slower and slower. Is he not getting tired or something? Oh damn, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. It's just timing. Oh yes, done. Now some kind of ice cube. Yeah, I know how to do this. Shadows over there. Wherever the shadows are, that's what's gonna fall.
Great job.
Okay, so some kind of ice bridge. Can you jump over that? Oh, is that a shield? A shield. Come on, gimme. I missed it. How can I missed the pizza, I missed the treasure chest, I literally missed. Shit, I bet I missed a key. I need to get a key, at least a key. If I find one, I'll be so happy if I get a key. Come on, so close. Oh no. So, is there an end to this game? Give me an end, I can make it. I'm good if I die, I'm literally good if I die. If I die, I'm good. I'm right.
Gotcha. Good game, Combo.
You've got damn kidding me. Would you look at that? I died. I got hit. I didn't die, I got tagged. But look at all the skins I have. These are all the skins I want. If you want them, please so. Maybe you get better at this game as well.